My name is Ramin Baghirzade, and I'm a global head of business development for cell and gene therapy at AGC Biologics. It gives me a great pleasure to be presenting at MESA today. It's my favorite event of the year. And my today's presentation would be on AGC Biologics global end-to-end CDMO services and how we solve CNGT shortages in the industry. To set the scene, we're all aware of the paradigm shifting nature of cell and gene therapies. And what those therapies have done, they've created a soaring markets, and as a side effect, supply shortages. And what I mean by that, we know that cell and gene therapy products continue bringing new promising treatments in multiple areas of high unmet medical needs. It's been a very nice recent report published on a year of firsts and records by ARM. And what a record-breaking cell and gene therapy pipeline has done is, it's on the one hand, it creates vast market opportunities. And on the other hand, it causes significant manufacturing capacity shortages. We also know that new manufacturing capacity doesn't come online overnight. It requires investments, lead time, and technical expertise. And it becomes really critical for cell and gene therapy therapeutics developers to find the right partner with a global footprint, with the right expertise, and the necessary capacities. And in the upcoming slides, I would like to share why we're convinced that we're the right partner for you. We at AGC Biologics are ready to accelerate your race to GMP. And this is not just empty words for us. We are a global CDMO with massive ambitions, backed by over 25 years of industry-leading experience and 7 world-class cGMP facilities and over 2,000 talented employees. We are dedicated to continuous innovation because we realize how important it is to stay ahead of the curve. And we're not stopping. As I will elaborate in the coming slides, we're been constantly expanding our capabilities and capacities, and it's our vision to have CGMP capabilities across 3 continents, and this vision is becoming a reality. So when we look at our existing capabilities, we have 3 sites in Longmont, Colorado, US, Heidelberg, Germany, and Milan, Italy. And we're uniquely positioned with end-to-end cell and gene therapy services and manufacturing capabilities across 3 domains. It's plasmid DNA, viral vector, and cell therapy. We have an unmatched track record, and this includes us having the first ex vivo gene therapy facility approved in Europe, and we're the only cell and gene therapy CDMO that brought its own product to market, because we started first as a drug developer. So back in the days, so what was Molmed in Italy, which was a drug development company, and then the company became a CDMO. And even though we're no longer a drug developer, those learnings have been invaluable because we have been in your shoes. We know what it takes to file for IND. We know what it takes to run clinical trials. We know what it takes to even negotiate with payers. And we're willing to obviously to offer those learnings and expertise to you as our customers. So these facilities are part of our cell and gene therapy umbrella at AGC Biologics. When we look at our end-to-end CGT capabilities, so what you would see on the left is type of services which we typically perform, ranging from process development, tech transfer, and GMP, under the umbrella of quality control and quality assurance, and including those three domains which I already mentioned, is plasmid DNA, viral vector, and cell therapy. And we're flexible on how this is delivered to clients. So this can be either bundled as a package, so that we offer plasmid DNA and viral vector and cell therapy, or we can also happy to offer standalone solutions to our customers. In the table here, you will see both our established and expanded offerings. So for example, for plasmid DNA, we've been offering GMP grades. So seeing the market need for that, we're also now expanded into HQ grades. On the viral vector side, we've been offering LVV, RVV, and AAV on an adherent platform. So we know that there is a market need for that, and we've been expanding aggressively into suspension, and our suspension capabilities are coming online later this year, early next year. On the cell therapy side, we have established offerings on CD34 and T cells, and we've been expanding across other cell types, for example, NK cells. So this gives you an idea of our entire global footprint and how those cell and gene therapy facilities are part of that network. So obviously, we also do mammalian and microbial in Seattle, in Boulder, in Copenhagen, and in Chiba, Japan, while Longmont in Colorado, Heidelberg in Germany, and Milan in Italy are part of our cell and gene therapy footprint. To give you a bit more details on our cell and gene therapy facilities and capabilities, Heidelberg in Germany is our center of excellence for plasmid DNA. And here we can scale up to 1,000 liter. And we've been also growing into and expanding our mRNA capabilities there. We also have commercial manufacturing experience. In Milan and Longmont, we are very proud of our industry-leading expertise in process development, because we realize how important it is in our industry, because a lot of the processes are lab scale, and you need an experienced CDMO who can take this lab scale processes, scales them up, and take you to GMP. Due to our recent expansion, we have a large GMP capacity in both cell therapy and viral vectors. When we look at our scales, I mean, we have both obviously adhesion capabilities, as I mentioned, and the upcoming suspension capabilities. where we would go to 200 liter, 500 liter, and 2000 liter scales. We have platform capabilities on AGCs and on T cells. And the areas that we really pride ourselves is our strong in-house analytical test capabilities. We offer over 95% of all the tests in-house, and this way we ensure fast turnarounds and full control. We're also a proud manufacturer of Strimvelis. It's a pioneering product in Europe and in the industry, and a recently approved product from Orchard Therapeutics, Libmeldy. We have over 500 talented employees across our sites. This is just to give you an idea of our track record, and we're particularly proud of our commercial experience on 3 commercial cell therapy products, 3 commercial and viral vectors, and 1 commercial plasmid DNA, with hundreds of patients treated and hundreds of GMP batches for viral vectors. We have the power of AGC. Our parent company is headquartered in Japan. It's in fact the largest glass company in the world. But for them, cell and gene therapy is of strategic focus. And the kind of benefits it brings to AGC customers is the great financial stability in the backing. So we're not gonna disappear overnight. It's a long-term vision and strategic plan, as well as ability to rapidly expand as needed. We're the proven partner of choice for you. And as you would see here, we gave an idea of a sample of the customers which we have on, and it's a range of large pharma and some of the leading biotechs in the industry. I would like to thank you for your attention.